To change the inverted camera on your iPhone, start by opening the settings. Scroll down until you see the camera option, which is typically located under the section that includes music and TV. Select camera and then look for the composition section. Here, you'll find the option to turn mirrored front photos on or off. When this feature is disabled, photos taken with the front camera will appear as they would to the naked eye, with text readable and objects facing the correct direction. Conversely, enabling mirrored front photos will flip the image, causing everything to appear backwards. You can toggle this feature on or off as desired. This setting allows you to control whether your front camera photos are mirrored or not, giving you more control over your iPhone's camera functionality.